A pump can be running normally, but a bearing failure can suddenly stop the entire operation. So what causes pump bearings to fail? Let's look at the 5 most common causes. A pump bearing supports the rotating shaft and allows it to rotate smoothly with minimum frictions. It also helps maintain proper shaft alignment during operation. The first major cause is poor lubrication. Insufficient lubrication can increase friction and temperature, but over-lubrication can also cause problem by generating excess heat. Using the wrong or contaminated lubricant can further reduce bearing life. The second cause is shaft misalignment. If the motor and pump shaft are not properly aligned, additional forces are transferred to the bearing. This can increase vibration, loading, and wear. The third cause is contamination. Water, dust, chemicals, and foreign particles can enter the bearing housing or lubricants. These contaminants can damage bearing surface and accelerate wear. The fourth cause is improper installation. Using excessive force, incorrect tools, or the wrong fitting method can damage the bearing before the pump even starts operating. Correct installation is essential for reliable bearing life. The fifth cause is excessive load and vibration. Unbalanced rotating components, excessive radial loads, or abnormal operating condition can put additional stress on the bearing. High vibration is often an important warning sign that should not be ignored. Preventing bearing failures start with good maintenance practice. Use the correct lubricant and lubrications quantity. Maintain proper shaft alignment. Keep the bearing clean and protected from contamination. Follow correct installation procedure and regularly monitor vibration and bearing temperatures. Early detection can prevent unexpected pump downtime. Remember 5 things: lubricate correctly, align properly, protect against contamination, install correctly, and monitor vibration and temperature. A healthy bearing means a more reliable pump and fewer unexpected shutdowns. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for more practical chemical, plant, and industrial engineering knowledge.